Howdy. Moderate earthquake 5.0 52 minutes ago near Nuku'alofa, Tapu, Tonga. So we might have to keep an eye on Tonga still since there is continuous activity. Oh, what's going on here? 2.1, nothing in depth. 4 hours ago. Not too far from here, obviously. London, 17 hours ago, 2.3. One user reports. What does it say? Stamford. Felt strange vibration lasting 2 or 3 seconds through my feet while perched on a computer chair, with my feet pressing down on the frame directly over wheels on a concrete ground floor. Assumed earth tremor and sought confirmation here. Precisely placed. Yeah, this is one of the better comments I have read here. I'm not judging anyone, but it's very, very good set. And there has been some flooding in England, in London. I haven't really had time to check it out where exactly. But there is a quake and flooding. I don't know exactly also about the rain situation, what we had in England. And I won't now dive into windy and all these kind of things. That's just a quick earthquake overwatch. That's a fresh one. 8 hours ago, Campi Flegrei 0.8, 1 kilometer in depth. What else? Etna, 8 hours ago, 1.7. Yeah, Greece is shaking, Croatia once again. There are many caves, karst region. Dangerous place to live. You never know when there's a hole opening up in the ground. Yeah, very interesting. White rocks and stuff. But I wanted to show you quickly something. Screen video. Screen recording. From Taal Volcano today. So that's the original screen recording I made today. Obviously, here we have the volcano. And there is clouds, steam, gases rising up from the volcano. And they are moving in this direction. And I will put it faster, quickly, forward and backward. And you will notice how these shoot out of the frame or the picture. And the other ones, they are first moving into this direction and all of a sudden they change. They make a 90-degree turn. Here you can see it already, how it starts to move into a completely different direction. And here in the foreground you can see those other clouds, they are all moving in this direction. So I assume that's the general wind direction in this height. It can be that these clouds which are rising up, they are in a different layer of the atmosphere and they are moving with those other clouds in this direction. But it's still, I think this looks very nice if you watch that a few times, how they are zooming out first on the right side of the picture and then they are just moving into, they make a connection to the upper level And you also can see how they get dark. So they get, in a way, amped up. Furthermore, I wanted to show you this as well. Here is this cloud. And check out the lower bottom of this cloud when I move the video forward. It's just like, it's just appearing out of nowhere in a way. Check it out. There is gases and stuff rising from the volcano. Basically invisible. Like from here and here. You can see them by yourself. And as they reach a certain height, they turn into a cloud. Before that, they're not really visible. Yeah, I cannot zoom in more. I think that's very interesting. I don't know, maybe I have to check it out. This mountain here in the background seems to have some activity too. It excites clouds and makes them disappear. Everything is electric. These are electric currents made visible through water. Exciting. Exciting the water molecules so they form. Visible clouds. That's the original speed. So if you don't have the eye or whatsoever, you probably won't notice these kind of things. I think that's very neat, very, very interesting. Clouds are plasma. They are electrical in nature. Yeah, actually, I found an elderly video, or like, I maybe showed this once, but I wanted to show you again. Because it's even more interesting than this. Like, I tell you, clouds or the weather in general is totally electric in nature. I have been talking about the drinking water and these kind of things. Like rainwater is poison. And I just wanted to show you this next video because it's really interesting. You have probably seen this already, but and if you check out the surroundings, there's no leaves waving in the wind. Let's go to the beginning. Where is it? If you look closely, you will see how this leaves a mark in the ground. This is probably where it started. Good, Doggy. Scalability. Weather is electric in nature. There are small tornadoes and really big ones. And obviously the kids aren't too scared, probably. They didn't even notice that. And they're not too far away. So this cannot be this kind of low pressure system thing, like storms or whatever. That's just a really tiny tornado. An electrical current. Birkeland current. It's spinning. Yeah, that's why they spin. But anyway, I will end here with the video. Thanks.